format of Bluetooth. Access code is 72 bits, header is going to be 54 bits, and payload is going to be 0 to n bits. So here this header part is again split into address type, FAS and HEC. The 18-bit part is repeated 3 times. So there comes 54 bits. So now a frame in the baseband layer can be one of the 3 types: 1 slot, 3 slot or 5 slot. So n equal to 240, it means 1 slot frame. N equal to 1490 is 3 slot frame. N equal to 2740 is 5 slot frame. A slot, as we said, is 625 microseconds. However, in a 1 slot frame exchange, 259 microsecond is needed for hopping and control mechanisms. This means that a 1 slot frame can last only 625 to, there is 625 minus 259 or 366 microseconds with a 1 megahertz bandwidth and 1 bit per hertz. The size of a 1 slot frame is 366 bits. The 3 slot frame occupies 3 slots. However, since 259 microseconds is used for hopping, the length of the frame is 3 into 625 minus 259 equal to 1616 microseconds or 1616 bits. A device that uses a 3 slot frame remains at the same hop at the same carrier frequency for all the 3 slots. Even though only one hop number is used, the 3 hop numbers are consumed. That means the hop number for each frame is equal to the first slot of the frame. The 5 slot frame also uses 259 bits for hopping, which means that the length of the frame is 5 into 625 minus 259 equal to 2866 bits. So what is the access core? This 72-bit field normally contains synchronization bits and the identifier of the primary to distinguish the frame of one piconet from that of another. What about this header? The header part is 54-bit field and it is repeated 18-bit pattern. Each pattern has the following subfields. Address. The 3-bit address subfield can define to 7 secondaries, 1 to 7. If the address is 0, it is used for broadcast communication from primary to all secondaries. Type. The 4-bit type subfield defines the type of data coming from the upper layers. We discuss these types later, what kind of data it comes. F. A single bit subfield for flow control. If set to 1, it indicates the device is unable to receive more frames. Buffer is full. A. This subfield for acknowledgement. Bluetooth uses stop and wait ARQ. 1 bit is sufficient for acknowledgement. 1 bit subfield holds a sequence number. The Bluetooth uses stop and wait ARQ. 1 bit is sufficient for sequence numbering also. And HEC, a 8-bit header error correction subfield is a checksum to detect errors in each 18-bit header section. So this is how the header is being split, and payload is a subfield 0 to 2740 bits long. It contains data or control information coming from the upper layers. Coming to the radio layer, the radio layer is roughly equivalent to the physical layer of the internet model. So Bluetooth devices are low power and have a range of only 10 meters, as I said. So what is the band used? Bluetooth uses 2.4 gigahertz ISM band divided into 79 channels of 1 megahertz each. And frequency hopping spread spectrum method is being used by Bluetooth in physical layer to avoid interference from other devices or other networks. Bluetooth hops 1600 times per second. The frequency uses the the device uses the frequency for only 625 microseconds, 1 by 1600 seconds, before it hops to another frequency. The dwell time is 625 microseconds. The modulation being used is to transform bits to a signal. Bluetooth uses sophisticated version of FSK called GFSK, that is frequency shift keying with Gaussian bandwidth filtering. So, with this idea of Bluetooth, let us see what are the various other connecting devices in case of networking in the next video. Thank you.